Hey guys, hope you are all doing well. So, dear friends, if you are the first sem students, so I have read your all the comments regarding first sem results. I understand the anticipation surrounding the release of the semester results, and many of you have been eagerly asking that when is the expected dates for the results. So, I wanted to address this important topic, dear friends. So, as you know already, in the actually few past years, we were accustomed to waiting for up to 45 days to receive our semester results. As you can see here in this interface, VTU publishes results for the semester and reappearing exams within 30 to 45 days, right? So, but now the times have been totally changed when the Vidya Shankar S has become the VTU chancellor. So whole scenario changed after that. Okay, so now it typically takes just 7 to 10 days for your results after the completion of your examinations. So your results to be finalized within 7 to 10 days and made available for you. Okay, so you should not be worried about the result. I understand the wait. I understand that waiting for results can be somehow nerve wracking for most of the students. So it is a moment of anticipation where the culmination of your hard work is finally revealed. Let me remind you of something crucial over here. What is that? So regardless of when the results are released, so your dedication, perseverance, and commitment to learning are what truly matters, right? So this is the main important point. So as we eagerly await outcome, so let's stay positive and continue to focus on your journey of growth and knowledge. Remember, success isn't just what we call the grades on a piece of paper. It is about the lessons learned, the skills acquired, and the personal growth achieving along the way. But to be honest to you people, you might have heard about the teacher student relationship, right? So that should be actually parental relationship, what you are treating, how parents are treating the children. Likewise, teachers should treat students in that particular manner. But in engineering college, definitely I'm telling you, I have experience. So this thing you definitely miss in the engineering journey. Nobody is caring about like their own children who are there. They think we are slaves who are there, right? So simply you have to follow their rules, and that is what I call the slavery, right? So, my dear friends, keep pushing forward, keep striving for the excellence, and never forget that you are capable of achieving great things. So, make sure you should show your teachers also that you are the one among the thousands. Okay, so you are the father of fathers. So you should show them at all in the engineering colleges, right? So your results are just a reflection of your efforts, and I have no doubt that each and every one of you has put in your absolute best. So stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep shining bright. So the results will be there before you know it. So wish you all the very best for your upcoming results. So it will be definitely between, if I just predict, it is maybe between the 7th March to 10th March will be your results. Definitely, there is no doubt in it. So stay motivated. Thank you so much.